Hey, welcome back to your favorite channel, Short Guys, and in this video I will show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account on phone. So let's say that you want to take a break from Instagram for some time, let's say for a week or two, or for let's say for a year, and you don't have to delete it. You just can deactivate it. So here is the main screen of Instagram application. Once you open it, tap to your profile icon and then tap on the three lines on the right top. Go to account center, then scroll down and tap the personal details. Tap the account ownership and control. Go to deactivation or deletion. Choose your Instagram account. And here you have the possibility if you want to deactivate your account or delete your account. So I recommend going to the section deactivate account, and it's my actually weekly limit because I have already deactivated this account a few minutes ago because I was trying it for this video, so I cannot deactivate it in a period of 7 days. So yeah, it will take you to the next step where you just fill your password, and then there will be question for what reason you want to deactivate your Instagram account, and it doesn't matter which one reason you choose. It will simply deactivate your account, it doesn't matter. And then you can reactivate it just by opening the application and logging in back to your account, or going to instagram.com and then login through the PC to your account, and it will automatically reactivate it. Yeah, and that's it. It's not hard, so you can deactivate your account, and I hope you have found helpful this video. If yes, just please leave a like. Thanks, bye.